Greetings. HUS's core service was established in 1997. Very successfully and very shortly, it became known for its quality and service offering. In 2000, we took a strategic decision to expand and bring other services of HUS into India. One of the services that we looked at was the possibility of bringing in a very successful HVS executive search practice into this country. India at that point of time was served mainly by contingency search firms that were very unprofessional and also perhaps serviced by some of the general managers who had retired. In fact, the hotel industry at that point of time in India only had 200 hotels. So when we opened our doors for service, we became the first retained search firm in India catering exclusively to this segment. Soon we established our presence, and once again when we looked to grow, we were looking at the possibility of going into the Middle East market or perhaps growing vertically into some of the other segments. While we did some work in the Middle East, we soon realized that it would perhaps be better to continue to focus on the sectors in India such as telecom, aviation, and a few others. One of the areas we took and looked upon very seriously was the real estate space, because at that time the real estate space was very unorganized, and we said that if we could get in at the right time, we would perhaps become the preferred vendors. And that decision paid off, because in a very short period of time, we not only had 3 to 4 good clients, but we soon realized that they were using us for nearly 70% of all their search requirements. Today, when we look back, by 2007, we had 70% of our revenues coming from these 2-3 sectors, which is real estate and the PE funds, and the hospitality bit had actually shrunk to only 30%. However, when we see how the last 12 months have gone in the economic, at the global level in the economy, we realize that our core service of hotels, in fact, is actually gaining ground, and today those 200 hotels that we had way back in 2000 are now gone up to 400, and the real estate sector, while we have clearly a domain advantage in it, we're being able to focus more on the hotel sector, and this has given us an opportunity to continue to grow.